Hey, aspiring affiliate marketers. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to place for all things digital success. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing, and I'll be sharing with you the ultimate guide on how to make money online through affiliate programs. Before we kick things off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more valuable content. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing. In order to make this strategy work again and again, you don't need any followers. You don't need any posts. You can even do it by creating an Instagram account. So first of all, you need to sign up to Instagram and create an account. You don't need any branded account. Simply create an account. It really doesn't matter if you have 0 followers or 100 followers. All you have to do is set up a profile picture and post 1 or 2 different posts on your account. It's optional, but if you do that, you will get a better result. Once you set up your profile, you will go over to the search bar and search for different hashtags like a book. When you do that, you will find millions of search results. All you have to do is open up their page and you need to see if they're actually posting related to books or not. Here you can see we found this page. Now you need to open up as many similar pages as possible. They are similar because they post different stuff related to books, so it's proven that they're attracting people to read books. Search with different keywords and repeat the process again and again until you have 5 or 10 different pages. Now go to audible.com. Audible is an Amazon company. It's all related to audiobooks. So they have over 20 million active monthly users. There are millions of people all over the world who love reading books, but they don't have time. Because reading a book requires at least 1 to 2 hours. But listening to an audiobook can be done even if you're running or whatever you're doing. You can put on your headphones and listen to different audiobooks. That's why the demand for this is growing. But don't worry, you will not have to resell those books. The cool thing is that people don't have to pay for anything, but you will still make money. It's so easy and requires no previous skills. You can do it with Instagram. There are so many audiobooks on Audible. You can search for it here. You can click on the search bar and you can search for different books and you will be able to find millions of different books. You don't want to pay for this. We don't want to buy those audiobooks, but we need to go over to Google and type in Audible affiliates, because this link is hidden. Now click on this first link. You will land on this page when you click on this link. The cool thing about this website is that people don't have to pay for anything, but you're still going to make money. Because Audible affiliate programs are really unique than others' affiliate programs. All you need to do is advertise, drive traffic, and earn. I will show you exactly how to do that with one Instagram even if you have 0 followers. Here you can see the standard fee structure. If someone signs up for the monthly membership, you will make $10. If someone signs up using your affiliate link for that one, they will need to spend some money, so that might be a little bit harder. But here's another deal. If they sign up for a free trial for a free membership, you will get $5. Audible will pay you for qualified leads that sign up for these Audible free trials. They don't have to spend any money, and they will get access to listen to free audiobooks from Audible. So they can choose from millions of different audiobooks on here. They can grab them for free, and you will get paid $5 for that. And if they keep using Audible, you will make money also. You will make 50 cents per audiobook that they get from Audible. Many people get hooked when they sign up to Audible because Amazon is really good at upselling people. It's one of the largest companies in the world. They really know how to upsell people. So a lot of them will actually buy different audiobooks. Now click on this Become an Affiliate button right here. Then click on this to create your Amazon account. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Now enter your name, email, password, re-enter your password, and click on this yellow button. After creating an account, log into your account. Once you do that, you will be able to grab your Audible affiliate program for any of those audiobooks. As soon as you get access to your affiliate link, you will grab your affiliate link and you will go back to some of those Instagram pages that are posting about books. Now you would need to do right here is send a message to this page. Open up one of many different pages you can find by searching for those hashtags. Then you want to DM them. You will ask them about their shout-out rates. Don't worry, you don't have any money to invest in this. If you stay with me all the way to the end, I will show you where you can get $10 to $20 for absolutely free and use that to invest into those shout-outs. You don't need to invest any money from your pocket. These people charge $10 to $15 for a 24-hour shout-out in most cases. Once they agree, all you need to do is send them your Audible affiliate link. They will create a story ad for you and post it on their page. They can use the swipe up feature. That will take people directly to your Audible affiliate link where they can sign up and grab their favorite audiobooks for free, and you will get paid $5 per person who signs up for free. You can do the same for all those different pages with at least 10,000 followers. If they don't have 10,000 followers and you can close out a page, you want to go back to different hashtags and find pages with at least 10,000 followers. Because Instagram wants to keep the swipe up feature exclusive, there are restrictions on who can get one. To access this coveted feature, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. So pick a page that has at least 10,000 followers. Now I will show you a bonus website so that you can maximize your earnings. But before we start, give us a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Also hit the bell icon to make sure you definitely won't miss any of my future videos on making money online. Our bonus website is called cashkick.com. You can earn money by answering surveys and watching videos. There are always great, easy tasks for you to choose from. Complete as many as you'd like. There's no limit. Cashkick offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market. They deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently. Once you reach a minimum of $10 in your account, you can request a withdrawal via a verified US PayPal account, and payments are made within 1 to 3 business days. Now you may be wondering why they pay you. They will pay you because companies are eager to get their deals in front of consumers to get your feedback. In fact, your opinions are so valuable, they'll even pay you for them. All you need is a few minutes and an internet connection, and we'll take care of the rest. With Cashkick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes tasks on Cashkick, you'll get a 25% commission on their total earnings. If you have friends or family who are eager to earn extra cash in their spare time, making referrals can be a great way to work toward that $10 payout threshold. Now, all you have to do is enter your email and choose a password and click on this Get Started Now button right here. Our next bonus website is called creationsrewards.net. By using this website, you can make money by watching videos. If you go down right over here, you'll find that it says that watching videos is not the only way to earn money on this website. There are a bunch of different income streams on this website. You can take daily surveys, shop online, watch videos, explore websites, try offers, and much more. So this is an excellent website because you have so many choices to choose from. If you get bored of doing the same method again and again, then you can go ahead and try doing another form, and that way, you can still earn money without getting burnt out. This website has been online since the year 2000, so they've been operating for 22 years. So this is definitely not a scam because they would probably close in the first year if this was a scam. Now redeeming points on this website is very simple. You can cash out anytime you want. Let's get into the sign-up details for this website. So if we head back up to the top of the website, you'll find a sign-up section on the right side. This website will actually give you a $5 bonus for signing up. So you haven't even watched any videos yet. You haven't done any work and you have already started earning money and made $5 for yourself. So all you have to do is fill up the required details and you are good to go. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.